people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Swapnil Mishra and I hope you're all doing great at home. Today, as you've seen in the title, I'm going to show some makeup products that you can call it as beginner's makeup kit, and I'm going to include all such stuff that are necessary for you to do makeup in every occasion possible, of weddings or parties or daily lunches or meeting friends, or you know what, just when you want to wear makeup in general. So I'm going to categorize the makeup into base, eyes and lips, and then I'm going to discuss. I'm going to show you minimal products which are multi-purpose and you don't need certain products when you're beginner. When you get a hang of it and you know how to use each and every product, then you go and buy yourself whatever you want. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the primer. Primer is very important, and I'm not going to include moisturizer and stuff because I'm going to make a separate skincare video of this, so stay tuned for that too. For primer, I'm going to show you this Maybelline Master Prime primer. This is a really good primer and this is not very expensive. This is for $650 and you can always get on sale on Nykaa and other stuff. This is Maybelline and it's a trustworthy brand. See, makeup is expensive, there's no doubt about it, and I don't want you people going around and buying cheap makeup and ruining your skin, because skin is the largest organ of our body and you don't want to be very casual with it. You should know what you are applying and what is going on your skin, because it stays at least for 4 to 5 hours or maybe more if you are going to office or stuff or parties. So it stays for a longer time on your skin and you don't want your skin to go bad because if you're using certain cheap products and which are not good quality product. So it is a good product, and primer is very important because it creates a barrier between the makeup and your skin. So you should always apply primer. Some people actually skip primer and I don't suggest you do that, because primers actually protect from many things that you might note you're putting on yourself. Makeup does not enter your pores because you have primer over it. So that's very important step for you to remember, that you should always apply primer. Even if you are doing very basic makeup, apply primer for sure. Next, I'm going to show you two foundations. First, it is the cult favorite Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation for normal to oily skin. It is a little matte for people who have drier skin, but you can make it work, and by applying a good amount of moisturizer and prepping your skin beforehand. And I'm in the shade 220, and this is a good foundation. It has a good coverage and the finish is also nice, and it does not harm your skin as such. My skin hasn't acted yet. I've used it and it hasn't acted up. So this is a good foundation. The second foundation I'm going to recommend to you people is Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This is a nice foundation. It has a good coverage and a beautiful finish. I think it'll go for drier to combination skin type, because it has a little dewy of a finish, and if you are a oily type, I think it would be a little oily for you. Otherwise it's good. And this is in the shade Warm Beige. It is a little darker for me, a bit darker, because it oxidizes a bit. For the corrector concealer, I'm going to show you two concealers, which are, first is Take Cover concealer in the shade Birthday Suit. This is fairly my skin tone, a little orangier, and that helps it to cover all the darkness on my face, and color correction is done beautifully with this. And the second is the Maybelline New York one Fit Me concealer in the shade Medium Moyen. This is the shade. This is fairly my skin tone and it covers, and it has a beautiful finish. Both of them have beautiful finish, and the coverage of this is a little higher than the Fit Me one, but the Fit Me one is creamier. And the highlighter concealers I'm going to show you is NYX Professional HG Studio Photogenic Concealers. This is in the shade C3.5. I could have gone a little darker, but online में यही गड़बड़ होता है. So I bought this. This is too light for me, but highlighting के लिए this is perfect. I've used it on my face today, and थोड़ा सा ये settle down होने के बाद it looks good on you. And the second is from Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 sand. ये भी मेरे लिए highlighting concealer है. So this is really nice for highlighting. So these were the things for concealer. And I have 3 powder recommendations right now. This is the Maybelline White Super Fresh. I think it is discontinued and the newer version has come, or the newer version has come in presence of this itself. This is Super Fresh white Super Fresh. It has 12 hours of whitening or something, but it is a good powder. I don't know about the whitening and stuff, and I don't need that stuff. And this is a good, it comes this is a good powder. It comes with a puff. I have lost the puff because I never use it. And second, I'm going to go for Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Oh my god, this is a good powder. It has a good coverage. It is matte, and when I tell you matte, it is absolutely matte. So if you are very dry, don't go for this. And if you are a combination type and you want to stay matte on your T-zone, this is a good powder for T-zone. This is really matte and good, and it does not budge. It stays put. So it is a good powder. And for last, and my favorite, the Fit Me Loose powder. It is a multi-purpose powder. You can bake with it, you can set with it, you can just dust off some powder and you are good to go. It has a good amount of coverage. My shade is 15 light, and this is a really good powder. If you want to invest, you should go for it. Now that we have completed with the powder and foundation, I'm going to show you some eye and face palette. For face palette, I am going to suggest to you this Maybelline Master Contour palette kit. This is a nice kit, and if you are a person who just want to contour on certain events like weddings and parties, and you don't contour or bronze on the daily basis, or you don't apply much of foundation and full coverage stuff on your face, this is a thing for you. This has 3 things together: the bronzer, the highlighter and the blush. This is a really nice deal, and it is very handy. You don't have to carry separate stuff with you. So this is really nice, and the finish is nice, blends very beautifully. However, the blush is a little shimmery. It is not a matte blush, but it does not look bad on your skin. And for eyes, I have 2 palettes right now, which are basic palettes, I would say. First is this Maybelline, the nudes one. This is kind of a multi-purpose. You can create smoky eyes with the help of blacks and browns and stuff, and you can apply a little bit of gold on your eyes and a liner and bold lips, and you're good to go for the party as well. And you can fill your brows with it. This has a grey tone shade here if you have a darker eyebrows, and this has brown shades also, which for lighter eyebrows you can fill and you're good to go. And this golden color can also be used on the inner corners of the eyes or the highlight on the face. So this is a good palette, basic palette for starters who don't experiment much on the eyes. This is a good palette. And second palette I'm going to show you is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and this is in the baddest shape you can ever see a palette be in. But I have used it so much that it has come to this thing, but I am unable to leave it up. I still use it to everything. That if I don't know what to do with my eyes, I pick this palette up and automatically I come up with the eye look that I want to carry. This is a beautiful palette. It is said to be a dupe of Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I don't know the exact name, what palette was it, but this is really good. Dupe or not, I love the color scheme. It has orange, basic brown oranges, brown transition, yellowish transition color, dark brown, and pink and lavender color. It has a beautiful champagne gold color, which you can use for highlighter. As a highlighter, I've used it as a highlighter as well. And these colors are really nice. Whenever I don't know what to do, I just pick up a shade. Like I've hit the pan in this shade because I use it the most. I pick a shade, I take a brush, and I go all over my lid, and that's it. I'm going to create different looks using these recommendations I'm giving to you, so you know that if I recommend things, you can use it for multi purpose. I mean, many events, for birthdays and parties and stuff. For eyes we are done here. Or what you can do for eyes is you can use this kind of stick cream shadow. These are really good if you don't want many shadow palette, or you don't do eye makeup and it is really hard for you to do a eye makeup, but you are bound to go to parties, for office parties, especially in MNCs. You're bound to go to some parties and you don't know how to do a makeup. What you can do is pick a color like this. This is from K Beauty and the shade name is Fortune, and these are really good eyeshadow sticks. You can go for eyeshadow sticks like this in any color that you would like to wear, for a gold, for a champagne color, for a brownie gold like this, right? And you can just put it all over the eyelid. अपनी finger से आप इसको spread कीजिए, put a liner, you're good to go, nothing else. So you can use this type of thing also. I would suggest you to buy first a kajal, because kajal is a very multi-purpose thing. You can draw a liner with it, you can place it in the waterline for normal kajal. आप इसको eyelids पे थोड़ा सा लगा के smoke out कर सकते हैं for smoky eye. It is a multi-purpose thing and it is very flexible. अभी if you take gel liner में problem क्या होता है कि they are very very pigmented. First of all, too much pigment is not good for people who haven't dealt with liners or stuff. So it is not good for starters. बट आप इसमें क्या होता है, इट इज़ नॉट दैट पिगमेंटेड. आप इसको धीरे धीरे बिल्डअप करके यू कैन ब्लश स्प्रेड इट आउट एंड आपका स्मोकी आई हो जाएगा. दीज डू नॉट ड्राई क्विकली, सो यू हैव मोर वर्किंग टाइम विद इट. अभी आप जेल लाइनर ले लो, जेल लाइनर लगाया, दे विल सेट इमीजिएटली एंड यू डोंट हैव एनी टाइम टू करेक्ट इट और स्मोक इट आउट. It is very difficult and you will have to work very very quickly with them. So I suggest you take a liner like this. This is Gigi Hadid from Maybelline New York gel liner. I think this is not available anymore, but I love this liner. You can go for Colossal Kajal as well, or Lakme's Iconic Kajal. Those are very good and very cheap also, not that of a problem. For lips, I'm going to show you 3 kinds of lips. And for one it is brownie nude, second peachy nude, and the third red lips. And I have 1 or 2 from orange, and because I've bought it recently. So first we'll go for brownie nudes. For brownie nudes I have 3 lip options, these 3. And first is this Nykaa. ये मिनी लिपस्टिक्स हैं, लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स. इट इज़ इन द शेड मद्रास कापी. दिस इज़ अ रियली नाइस शेड. आप रेगुलर यूज़ पे, अगर आप इफ़ यू आर माई स्किन टोन और डीपर देन मी, आपके स्किन पे बहुत अच्छा न्यूड जाने वाला है. दिस इज़ अ रियली रियली नाइस ब्राउन न्यूड एंड इट गोज़ विद एवरी काइंड ऑफ आउटफिट you wear, yellows and oranges and every funky color. You want to keep it quiet on your face, go for this nude. This is really nice. And similarly there is a color called Rome from NYX soft matte lip cream. These are really nice cult favorites. बहुत soft formula है, doesn't go, मतलब ऐसा नहीं लगता आपने कुछ पहन रखा है लिप्स पे. वेरी वेरी लाइट वेट, बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड नहीं है, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ इट एज अ लिप टिंट ऑल्सो. बहुत अच्छा है. These are nice. And this is the shade Rome, I think I've told you, and this is a night shade as well. I'll show you. This is the shade. It has a hint of pink in it, so it is a really nice shade. ये for Madras Kapi. This is Madras Kapi. This is Madras Kapi. Excuse me for the terrible swatch I've made, but I think this is drying up. And this is a mini version, so this is really nice. If you want to try a color, go for a mini version. आप उसको complete आराम से कर पाओगे. At least you won't waste the products. Especially for people like me who hoard lipsticks, I need to go to smaller versions of lipstick. This is my favorite most. I think this is second bottle of lipstick, and this is Wet n Wild liquid cat suede lipsticks, and this is in the shade Give Me Mocha. I love this lipstick and I think it is going to be over soon. I have to buy a backup of this. This is a beautiful beautiful shade. I'm wearing it right now and it is really beautiful. See, I think this is drying up right now. This is the shade. It is really beautiful. For second option, peachy nudes, I have this is from Faces Canada, Intense Lipstick Matte. This is a nice color. It is in the shade, what is the shade? Why is there no shade written on it? Oh sorry, this is in the shade Tea Rose. This is peach color, very very nice. फॉर्मूला बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है इसका, वेरी पिगमेंटेड. एक स्वॉच एंड यू गुड टू गो. बहुत अच्छा लगता है लिप्स पे. दिस इज़ द लिप स्वॉच, राइट. बहुत अच्छे हैं एंड डज नॉट ड्राई योर लिप्स बट दे आर मैट. सेकेंड ऑप्शन आई हैव इज़ फ्रॉम लैक्मे फॉरएवर मैट लिक्विड लिप कलर and this is in the shade what, Nude Dream. This is also a nice nude color. It is more of a pink nude, but it looks great. And the third one is from Smashbox. This is a really expensive, but I love this color too. This is Driver's Seat from Smashbox and I love this color. This one is the color. Smashbox की lipstick, you won't feel a thing that you have such a pigmented lip going on. आपकी पता नहीं चलेगा, dry नहीं होगा, your lips would be happy. But these are very very expensive, so and now I'm going to go for another pink nude that I want to show you people. This is Meher from MAC, cult favorite. बहुत अच्छा कलर है. This is a nice color. Everybody must know about it. बहुत जानते होंगे. The second is Blush Velvet from Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse. मेरे पास इसमें बहुत कलर्स हैं. This is a beautiful and it is almost a dupe of MAC one, as you can see. It is a little mauvier than the MAC one, but the color is beautiful. You can also use it as a blush, so it is a win-win. So get a, I would always suggest you get products which are multi-purpose, so you would use them more often. Acha, next I am going to show you reds. Reds first, Ruby Woo MAC. Oh my god, cult favorite. बहुत अच्छा है. It is a little drying, I must tell you. बहुत ज़्यादा formula इसका, I don't like that much of formula, but the color is to die for. I mean seriously, this color goes on everybody. It has it is more on a bluer side. It makes your teeth look white and your face glows up when you apply this kind of lipstick. And the second one is from Revlon and it's in the shade Standout 250. It's a twist up thing, and this is also a beautiful red. Formula is also great. It has a minty feeling to it when you apply. This is also a nice color for friends if you want to go. For mascaras, I have 3 options, and out of which 2 are from Maybelline. The first one is Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline, and the second one is Lash Sensational mascara Full Fan Effect. Both, and I mean 3 of them are non-waterproof. They are not waterproof. I don't like waterproof mascaras because they are very hard to remove. One more is there from Lash Paradise L'Oreal. It is very difficult to remove from your eyelashes, and you don't want that kind of torture for your lashes, so don't use that. The third one is the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara. I love this stuff. I have a backup for this. I think this is empty almost, so I love this mascara. This is a little expensive, but worth it. बहुत अच्छी lashes देता है. But yes, you don't need this one. ये भैया, it is, I've been using this like my 10th bottle or something. जब से मैंने mascara use करना start किया, I've been buying this again and again and again, and it is still my favorite. It still gives me the fullest lashes I want. I think this is it for the video, and these were my recommendations for beginners makeup kit. One more thing for makeup fixer. See, makeup fixing is not something you really need, but for long wear makeup, I think it will help, and it actually helps soak the makeup, So ये makeup micro finish makeup fixer from पैक, ब्यूटिफुल प्रोडक्ट. Maybelline का एक आता है, बहुत अच्छा है. I'll link all the things down below. Wet n Wild का बहुत अच्छा है. Those are small packages but good for कभी 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 तो यूज़ करना है, तो those are good for you. So I think this is it, and I'll be making some videos with the makeup looks using these items, and I'll make a skincare video separate and a brush set separate. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.